actually learned from my mom, but I'm stepping it up a notch because in our house, she would always cut the toothpaste. Did your mom do this so you could get the little bit at the bottom?
So you get the last part.
You guys know. So, but this is so cool because I've got a little bit of lotion left in here, not enough to really squeeze it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off here. So nothing new here, right? Mom did this.
No, Mom did this.
We know this. But this is where it gets really crazy. So then you cut this part down here. You use this lotion, because if you're like me, I'm like an elephant. Like, I need lotion all the time.
Oh,
I'm
especially
sorry.
the people that work in
Just
kitchens.
gets so dry.
Please, I walk around in life like this so nobody looks at how horrible my hands are.
I know. I actually joke if I had a TV show, I'd call it man hands. Because that's basically what I
have. Mine are Frodo hands with burns.
It's crazy. Okay, so then you use this little top that you had as the lid because when you've got that leftover lotion, see how much is in there? They're cheating us every day. And then you put this guy on this, and then you can leave this on your counter so it doesn't dry. So scented candles, I know you love them. I love them too.
I get so many of them as gifts too.
And they cost a fortune.
They really do.
So you always have this little nub of candle wax left at the bottom, right? So what do you do with that? Be careful here. This is super duper screaming hot. So I've got ultra hot water here. I'm going to put it in there. You don't have to boil these on the stove. You don't have to go crazy. You just put boiling hot water in there and let it sit for about an hour, okay? So just do that and watch Rachel come back to your TV. Then you've got this little piece of wax. Now, instead of throwing this away, and I like to reuse these for like water glasses or to plant succulents in, or Q-tips is also a great thing to put in here.
Oh, it's perfect Q-tip size.
It's perfect Q-tip size.
Perfect Q-tip size.
So then you've got your little piece of scented candle. So if this was a $40 candle, this is like $8 worth of wax.
And that's no joke, man.
And that is no joke. So you make a little hole here like this with a skewer or anything you've got, and then you put it right over your existing candle. You thread it right on there. You light the wick. And
not only that, I have friends that get addicted to certain scents and smells.
So true.
And they do them in limited numbers. They do that on purpose, just like they change makeup shades. Like
yes,
your favorite lipstick.
Right.
So some people that are hoarding their favorite fragrance or their fancy candle, that's great. You get every last drop.
Exactly. You get every last drop. Okay.
Good one.
Okay. So makeup, this drives me so nuts. You've got that awesome lip gloss or concealer, and you've got a little bit left in there at the bottom. Doesn't that drive you crazy?
Well, I was just saying, especially if it's like a holiday color, they only put out, 8 of them for 3 days. If you were standing at Sephora when it hit the thing. It's so annoying, right?
It is so annoying.
And then just the principle of throwing that money in the garbage, and then especially if you liked the color.
Agreed.
All right,
so all you need is a little, like...
Tweezers.
Tweezers, thank you. And you pull this out. So this little stopper is the answer. That's blocking you from getting all that awesome leftover product. And then you just grab a brush.
That's awesome.
Yes, and you can put this in a little jar and store it.
Or just leave it on your dresser like that.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. So there you go.
That's another good one.